Okay, jom. Hari ni kita nak review kita punya salah seorang customer kita lagi. Dia dah jadi kita punya customer since 1 month. Jom. So, ni Uncle Chris. Minggu ni dia dah datang, I think 3 times.
More than that lah.
More than that lah. This week only. So, Uncle, macam mana kita punya makanan? How was it? Is it good or not?
Chompin has got very nice, very delicious chomp grill. We like the chomp grill very much. And the fried chicken is definitely more tasty than even some of the fast food chains.
Oh, yeah.
Price is very reasonable. Worth your visit, worth your try, honestly speaking. I came in the rain, so you can imagine.
Yang paling penting, support local, Uncle.
Yes, support local.
Support anak muda macam saya. So, Uncle, thank you for your support, Uncle. And kepada korang yang belum pernah datang lagi kedai kita dekat mana, korang boleh search Chompin. Assalamualaikum.
Chompin.